Bonjour, Kanawia. Um, Bonjour, Benojag. Bonjour, Getsamug. Bonjour, Minoa, Getigo. Giving the Moyen, Nongum, Odeminigizis, Swaswe, 2020. Nongum, Chaba Tajindaman, enwiyang, Minoa, got Tajindan, Min, ne. Nibakawin, Zagedwin, Chipitendogzuin, Zungadewin, Gyakwendzuin, Dibendogzuin, Minwa, Odebwewin. Matukida Nishnabemowin, Ensogijgak, Nija Nishnabeg. Miko ewe, en, Gindaman. Nongam dash enwiyang ZH Nongam Gatajindan. Noe ZH Kidwanan Kawe Jabi Ganatig Jabi Ganatig Jabi Ganatig Noe Minwa Jabi Ganatig Jabi Ganatig Minwa Jagog Jagog Shagog Shagog Na Shagog Majmog ze Shagog Minwa Jashkun 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 Minwa Jingus. Oh, Jingus. 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 Aha. Junior. 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 Kandayawasi Junior. Kindash. Josh. Joshke. 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 Gego ni keken chinabieg jamanjagan makak gwek kinigego magwek katijinjagategin minawaga wabdanen mitashke maga jabigayen ZH Gajibian Abjatun Jabiganatig Minwa Cha Gindaswin Chagagoya Gindaswin Abjatun Jamanjagan Makak Computer Mia Mitash Minwa Gagindan Jenikate Rabbit and Bear Paws. Secret 7. Humility. Noetash, our main characters. Rabbit is a small 12-year-old boy who is also excited looking for something fun and interesting. Oh, sorry. Bear Paws is a 10-year-old little giant who has already reached the size of an adult. He likes to spend time with his brother Rabbit, playing jokes on people and animals. Strawberry is a smart and kind 11-year-old girl who likes to play with best friends. One sunny summer morning, while out playing follow the leader, Rabbit, Strawberry, and Bear Paws spotted a tiny little mouse. Kiwabma. With really big ears, Cho Togan, Kawinin, Yagashian Toganan, Cho Togan, Wawabaganuchi, Dayanan. No. The little mouse wanted to play follow the leader. Kewin. Even though they all thought Little Mouse was too small, they decided she would be the leader next. Noah, Wawabganuji. To their surprise, Little Mouse jumped into the fast-flowing river and started to drift away. They noticed water was moving very fast. Rabbit, Strawberry, and Bear Paws jumped in after the Little Mouse as they splashed down the stream. Little Mouse climbed onto Rabbit's head to catch her breath. Phew! Squealed the little tiny mouse in her tiny, tiny little voice. Nah. They drifted to the side of the river and climbed ashore. As they were drying off, Strawberry noticed the little mouse scurrying up a tree. Strawberry looked way up. Little Mouse was hanging upside down. Nowhere. Look, yelled Strawberry, pointing at the mouse. If that tiny little mouse can climb up a tree and hang upside down, well then, so can I. Strawberry scurried up the tree, but when she got up there, she realized that she was afraid of heights. Zegiz. Noeb Wawab Ganuji. After Rabbit and Bear Paws rescued her from the little tree, the game continued. They spotted Little Mouse nibbling on a kernel of white corn. Mundamin, we meechin, munch, 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 munch. Nowhere, Wawab Ganuji, meechin, mundamin. Rabbit, Strawberry, and Bear Paws nibbled on the white corn kernels too. They gobbled them up as fast as they could. Crunch, 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 crunch. Gawi nawa we snog mandamin. Nowhere. Wawab ganuji, gabi wisine. After they finished munching, they looked over and saw Little Mouse leap through the air. They were amazed at how high Little Mouse could jump. But, he's so little, Strawberry said in a confused tone. Look it. There's the Wawab Ganuji. Well, I'm way bigger than that little mouse, boasted Rabbit. Watch me jump. Strawberry and Bear Paws ran into the water to catch Rabbit. Little Mouse stood watching on the riverbank, giggling like a little mouse giggle. Bope, Wawab Ganuji. Ganab Jagawik, nowhere. The little mouse taunted Rabbit, Strawberry, and Bear Paws. I'll bet you can't catch me, Little Mouse squealed as she ran through a hollow log, under a branch, and over a twig, giggling as she ran. Strawberry and the boys ran as fast as they could after the mouse found themselves squished inside the log. Rabbit looked up at Little Mouse and asked, "How are we going to get out of here? They're all squished in the log." Little Mouse looked worried. She called upon her friends and family for help. "Not to fear," she squeaked. The little mice helpers are here." The tiny little mice nibbled and nibbled and nibbled and nibbled on the log. Rabbit started nibbling too. Finally, Strawberry and the boys wiggled out of the log and felt humble as they thanked the mice for their help. "We may be small," squeaked the little mouse, "but when we work together, anything is possible." And they all nibbled happily ever after. Na wawab gnujig. Kina tamagawat. Aha. Mia. Mika, kina. Nani boyog. Aha, miigwech. Mi mind yet at Gego ni keken. Don't forget. Pane gizinjin. Bama pimenwa. Gawab migo. Mizier. Gizinjin. Washme. Nishtana. Dabe gensan. Aha, binojiag. Bama pimenwa.